guys, this is Vijay and I hope you are doing well. In this video lecture, we will discuss on one of the safety feature of the automobile. It is called EBD, Electronic Brake Force Distribution. In previous lecture, we were already discussed, okay, there are two types of safety system, active safety system and passive safety system. Active safety system means those safety system we are using whenever you ride the car. Okay, for example, we can consider ABS, anti-lock braking system. Our today's topic, electronic brake force distribution. So these are the active safety system. Okay, we are using it prevention of the accident. Okay, it is called active safety system. And the second one is passive safety system. So passive safety system means it will operate, okay, whenever your vehicle it will strike with impact with any object. Okay, at that time airbag will open. Okay, so it is a safety system. Okay, it will use after the crash of the car or after the accident. It is called passive safety system. So our today's topic is one of the active safety system, and we have seen in most of the car. It is called EBD, electronic brake force distribution. So guys, before discussing the working principle of EBD, okay, we will clear our basic fundamental. Okay, whenever you suddenly apply the brakes in a car, whenever your vehicle is in motion and whenever we suddenly apply the brakes, at that time our body weight will be shifted forward. Same as engine is also in most of the car, the engine is also front side. Okay, so there is a more weight on front side of the car. Okay, in reverse case, whenever we suddenly accelerate the car, at that time our body weight will be shifted backward. Same as in cornering. Okay, means whenever we are taking the turn, okay, at that time the vehicle weight, it will be shifted outer side. Okay, means in all the cases, okay, there is a different weight distribution on different wheels. Okay, so at that time there is a different weight distribution. Sometimes we ride the car alone, sometimes we go for holidays with families. Okay, sometimes there is a more weight on front side, sometimes there is a more weight on back side. In all the cases there is a different weight on different wheels. So in that case, whenever we apply the brake in cornering, let us consider one of the example of cornering. Okay, so whenever you are taking the turn and whenever we apply the brakes, there is a more weight on outer side because your vehicle weight will be shifted outer side. Okay, so there is a more weight on outer wheel and less weight on inner wheel. So at that time there is a different requirement of braking force to apply the brake. Okay, there is a different requirement of braking force of different wheel. So in that case, whenever you apply the brake on cornering, on slope, okay, on different condition, okay, whenever you are alone and apply the brakes, so at that time our requirement of the braking force is different. Okay, so in that case the EBD system, it will work. Okay, so the full form of the EBD means electronic brake force distribution. How can it work? So in a car there are four ABS wheel speed sensors are attached with the wheels, and it will continuously monitor the speed of the wheels. And our objective is to maintain the equal pressure on all the wheels, because we know that, okay, in different condition there is a different requirement of braking force to apply the brake. Okay, as we discussed, these sensors are connected with the ECU. We know that ECU means electronic control unit. It is the brain of the car, and this ECU, it is connected with the master cylinder. As we know that master cylinder means it is the heart of the hydraulic braking system. And this hydraulic cylinder means master cylinder, it is connected with the wheel cylinder. According to the signal, it will receive from the ECU, and this ECU will receive the signal from the sensor. Okay, it will generate the pressure in the master cylinder, and this master cylinder will supply the different pressure to different wheels. So this is the basic function of the EBD, electronic brake force distribution. So through this system, whenever we use this system, so we can achieve the better traction on all the wheels, okay, better stability, okay, and there is a equal distribution of pressure on all the wheels. Okay, so there is a uniform wear of the tire. Okay, so this is the advantage of EBD technology in car. Okay, I recommended to you to buy the car with this feature. Okay, so it is one of the active safety system. And thank you friends for watching this video. I hope this content it will be helpful to you.